My name is Brandon Seymour, and I'm a senior systems admin with Moyne College. I was hooked from the get-go. I'm very technical type of person. Like I always dig in and break things. When I was younger, I was always breaking electronics, trying to dig in and find out how they worked. So it kind of was just like in me from the beginning. One of the places I worked for, it was literally like working, something out of Star Trek. You walk in and you have to sign in to get into the building, you show your ID, you go into the first door and you have to have a passcode to get into that door. That door closes behind you before the next door even open, and then you have to give like a fingerprint. The next door you actually had to give another handprint, and then that finally let you in to the server room, and you're just like welcomed with all these servers everywhere, and it's just awe-inspiring. Don't know what to expect when you walk into your job. It's not a normal 8 to 5 kind of situation where you're just walking in, doing your day-to-day grind in a cubicle somewhere. You never know what's going to arise. You don't know if a system's going to have an issue, if you're going to be chasing a hacker trying to get into the network, or if you're having an issue with a virus possibly. So it tends to not be boring because you're constantly going back and forth. You're doing one thing or another. Definitely preparing and understanding how networks work behind the scenes, and having a good understanding of that is a must, because you're going to be using those types of skills to troubleshoot all types of areas, whichever area you decide to go into. If you walk into any company having a knowledge of project management, you're going to be light years ahead of your peers. Across the board, project management is going to be extremely important no matter what field you're in IT. It's taking the initiative to go out there and find summertime jobs that are in the industry, whether it be some type of internship, even going off and getting certifications on your own. The certifications also will be a big plus. I don't think LinkedIn should be used as something like Facebook. I think you should be a lot more picky as to who you allow to link in with you, simply for the fact that it's more job related, and you don't want just all your friends all over LinkedIn. It needs to be more career oriented, and if it's used that way, it can be used as a tool to actually propel you into a career and find your job. Through things like volunteering through different organizations, technological organizations, I think you can open up opportunities to meet other people in the industry and to make connections there. Thank you. Bye-bye.